Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Live wallpaper uses short animations instead of a static image on your screen. Choose an animation sized to 1920x1080 for best clarity on most phones. Keep the loop near 15 seconds to balance motion and battery life. Use 60 FPS when possible for smooth playback, but 30 FPS saves power and storage. Limit file size under 20 MB for mobile usage and faster loading. Confirm your device runs Android 8 or later, or iPhone models that support live photos. Prepare the animation by trimming it to 15 seconds and exporting as live photo or WebM. On Android, open Settings then Wallpaper, select Live Wallpapers, and pick your converted file. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper to assign it to home, lock, or both screens. On iPhone, convert the chosen video into a live photo using a converter app. Open Photos, tap the live photo, choose Use as Wallpaper, then set it for lock screen or both screens. If battery use rises, reduce the frame rate to 30 FPS in the exporter. Lower resolution to 1280x720 or compress the file to under 5 MB to fix stutters. Disable the animated wallpaper on the lock screen to stop constant playback while locked. Use a static fallback for low battery mode to preserve charge and system responsiveness. Test different loop lengths and frame rates until motion looks smooth without excessive power draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.